All right, guilt. So guilt can be described as a feeling of heaviness, or heavinessness. So it increases our subjective estimation of our body weight, which therefore can impact our future behavior and actions, resulting in increased weight. Um, so guilt is a form of a psychological injury as a result of unresolved or excessive guilt. So guilt occurs when we induce self-punishment, both consciously and unconsciously. But guilt can also be used as a positive emotion, as it keeps us in line in terms of what actions we take moving forward, and there's certain actions we might not take, which may impact others in a negative way. So we can use it to our advantage at times.
So everyone's heard the saying, "A weight lifted off your shoulders," and there's been some research actually done into this to show that it is a real thing. And so the researchers split a big group of people into two. They got one group of people to think of a time where they acted ethically, and the other group to think of a time that they acted unethically. And the people then they were asked to estimate their current body weight, with the people who are acting ethically or people acting unethically overestimating their body weight. And that comes back to that thing that we were talking about yesterday where you think what you are. So obviously that leads on to then people becoming overweight because of their negative thoughts.
Freud proposed we build defence mechanisms to protect us from guilt. It's appropriate to feel guilt if you've done something wrong. Not to feel guilty may be a sign of psychopathy. And the problem occurs when you ruminate over the problem. And they say there's 5 causes of guilt. Guilt for something you did. Guilt for something you didn't do. Guilt for something you think you did. Guilt that you didn't do enough. And guilt that you're doing better than someone else.